Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for September 5. Government staging of Jamaica House at the O2 Arena during the 2012 London Olympics was not only a public relations success but also a budgetary triumph. That's according to Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner.
I'm happy to report that they came under budget. It was £969,652. So we came under the £1 million budget.
Meanwhile, President of JAMPRO, Sansia Bennett-Templer, says though the marketing strategy was successful, people need to understand that benefits from the event will not be seen immediately. Still, Mrs. Templer says there are several business opportunities coming out of Jamaica House.
There will be some new developments in the area of animation for Jamaica very, very shortly. And of course, the business of sports. So we will be working very, very closely with the ministry to look at how we can develop those opportunities.
Measures are being put in place to develop the economic viability of sports in Jamaica. The University of Technology and the Inter-American Development Bank, the IDB, recently signed a memorandum of understanding to support this. The Sports Entrepreneurship project is to create the links between sports and other economic and social sectors, thus producing a commercially sustainable sports business model.
It highlights a part of the vision of UTech to encourage entrepreneurship in sport and to foster the development of not only athletes but coaches and professionals who will help to make sport success sustainable for us.
The project will run for 12 months and is partly funded by the IDB to the tune of $150,000. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites is warning persons involved in providing fake educational credentials to immediately desist. The warning follows a recent news report that CXC passes and fake degrees were being sold by persons engaged in an illegal operation. The Education Minister says persons involved in this scam could face criminal sanctions. He is also urging persons who buy these documents to channel their energies and resources into obtaining legitimate certification. Schools across the island are being empowered to facilitate healthy lifestyle practices through a partnership between the Health and Education Ministries. The initiative will establish health-promoting schools by, among other things, reviewing the school feeding program and placing greater emphasis on physical education.
This sends a poignant message to stem the culture of negative lifestyle practices from the very young so that we can reap the rewards in the future.
There has to be an emphasis on health promotion rather than of diagnosis and curative measures for when illnesses occur.
The Health and Education Ministers were speaking at the launch of Caribbean Wellness Day on Monday. The day will be observed on September 8 under the theme, Healthy Schools Make Healthy Communities That Build Healthy Countries. And finally, a manual is being produced to set standards for hillside housing developments in Jamaica. Director in the Mining Ministry's Mines and Geology Division, Norman Harris, says a draft manual has already been developed based on a collation of global best practices and local laws. He told a recent JIS think tank that the ministry believes the document needs a 100% buy-in from stakeholder partners and has decided to host a series of island-wide workshops.
Once we get the buy-in from the stakeholders at the workshop, at the various workshops, then we'll be able to fine-tune that document.
The first workshop will be on Wednesday, September 12 in Mandeville. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.